morning students. Today we will see the one words of lesson India unity in diversity. So let's start with true or false. India is the most populous country in the world. Is this statement is true or false, students? India is the most populous country in the world. Yes, that statement is right. So it is true. Second one, there are 29 major languages in India. Is this sentence is right? There are 29 major languages in India. It's 29 or 22 ma? It's 22. So it is a false statement. So it is a false statement. All religions are treated equally in a secular country. Third one, all religions are treated equally in a secular country. Yes, India is a secular state. So all religions are treated equally here. So it is also is a true statement. Baishakti and Guru Purab are the harvest festivals of India. Baishakti and Guru Purab are the harvest festival of India. Yes. So this statement is also correct. Last, the cooking methods of Indians differ from region to region. Once again I read, the cooking methods of Indians differ from region to region, means state to state it is differ. Yes. So the statement is right. Just once again I repeat, India is the most populous country in the world. Yes, true. There are 29 major languages in India. No, only 22 major languages are there. So it is a false statement. Third one, all religions are treated equally in a secular country. Yes. Baishakti and Guru Purab are the harvest festival of India. Yes. Or the cooking methods of Indians differ from region to region. Yes, it is true. So I hope you understand. So next we move on to the fill in the blanks. Read the first one. India is known for its own for its diverse. India was known for its diverse culture. Parampariyam. Okay, ba? So India is known for its diverse culture. Spell the spelling culture, C-U-L-T-U-R-E. Second one, Hindi is written in the dash script. As you know, Hindi was declared as the national language by the Constitution of India. It was written in the Devangiri script. Devangiri. It is written in the Devangiri script. Third one, each region has its own dash and traditional dishes. Each region has its own cuisine. Cuisine means a style of cooking. It's differ from region to region. So each region has its own cuisine and traditional dishes. Dash forms are mostly based on religious text. Dash forms ma? Classical forms. Classical dance form are mostly based on religious text. Next one, dash from Manipur is a famous dance form of India. Dash from Manipur, which is the famous dance in Manipur? Was Manipuri. Manipuri was from Manipur is a famous dance form of India. The last one, dash are usually performed during celebrations. So during celebrations, which form of dance people celebrate? It is a folk dance. What is that? Folk dance. So folk dances are usually performed during the celebration times. Once again read the first 6 one, then we move on to the next. First, India is known for its own diverse culture. Hindi is written in the dash script, Devangiri script. Hindi is written in the Devangiri script. Each region has its own cuisine and traditional dishes. Cuisine means a style of cooking. It differs from region to region. The next one, classical dance forms are mostly based on religious text. Classical dance form are mostly based on religious text. Manipuri from Manipur is a famous dance form of India. Manipuri from Manipur is a famous dance form of India. So dance are usually performed during celebration. It is folk dance. It is folk dance. So next one, each dance form has its own unique dash and dash. Read the question carefully. Each dance form has its own unique dash and dash. So in the dance form ko unique enna veno? Costumes. And the next one steps. So in the dance, the costumes and the steps are most important. So these are the unique form in each dance, that is costumes and steps. So next one, the dash gives its citizens the freedom to follow any religion. Who gave the citizens the freedom to follow any religion, ma? The government. The government of India gives its citizen the freedom to follow any religion. So I hope you understand the fill-ups. You just go through and learn each new words and learn the spelling also for the costumes, everything. So next one, we move on to match the following. So these are the states and these are some of the dance form and the food items they follows. So let's match. Kerala. Kerala is a dance form of Kathakali. Kathakali is a famous dance form in Kerala. Punjab. The sarson ka saag is a famous food item in Punjab. Rajasthan, the famous food item dal bati kurma was famous in Rajasthan. Next one, Sikkim. Sikkim is the least populated state of India. Populated state of India. Next one, Tamil Nadu is famous for the dance form Bharatanatyam. So once again I repeat, Kerala, it's a famous dance form was Kathakali. Punjab, food items sarson ka saag. Rajasthan, dal bati kurma. Sikkim, least populated state. Tamil Nadu, Bharatanatyam was a famous dance form. So next one, name the following. Name 2 Indian states with high population. Name 2 Indian state with high population. Which are the state, ma? You can write Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, and also West Bengal is also the mostly highly populated states. So the 2 Indian states with highly population, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra. Learn the spelling for Uttar Pradesh, UTTAR, Pradesh, PRADESH, Maharashtra, MAHA, Maharashtra, RASHTRA, Maharashtra. So which are the least populated country? Least populated country was one in the match the following, it's Sikkim, Mizoram. These are the least populated. So second one, how many major languages are recognized by the Constitution of India? How many, ma? Yes, it is 22 major languages are recognized by the Constitution of India. Out of that, Hindi was declared as the national language by the Constitution of India, and it was written in dash script. It was written in a Devanagari script. Okay, va? The next one, name 2 religions that are followed in India. So what are the religions we are following? We are following many religions like Hinduism, Christianity, Jainism, Buddhism, Islam, Zoroastrianism, Judaism. So you can write any 2. So I am writing Hinduism. The second one, Islam. So you can write as you know, okay, va? So next one, name 2 classical dance form of Kerala. So Kerala was famous for, one is in the Philip, it is Kathakali, and the second one was Mohiniyattam. One is Kathakali, and the second one was Mohiniyattam. Mohini, spell the spelling and write Attam. Mohiniyattam. So the famous dance form of Kerala was Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. So these are the match the following. I just repeat once again. Name two Indian states with highly population is Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. Least population was Mizoram, Sikkim. How many major languages we are in the recognized by the Constitution of India? 22. There are many languages like Bengali, Gujarati, Hindi, Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu, like 22, like many languages are there out of our Constitution of India. The government was recognized only 22 languages. Okay, Mama. Name two religions that are followed in India. Which are the religions? Hinduism and Islam. Many religions are there. Name two classical dance form of Kerala. It is Kathakali and Mohiniyattam. So I hope you understand the one word, learn the one word. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.